Hello. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Journey to Wisdom and Wealth. Sorry, the quality is a little low. It's early morning, and if you hear me, I sound like I just woke up because I kind of did. And I'm coming to you live and direct from a bed, okay? Because it is Saturday. I think it's the 29th or something like that. And Mercury retrograde starts today, I believe. And I am just trying to get these videos out. So you'll probably see me in this for the next couple house showings because I need to get them off my phone. I don't know if I told you guys, but T-Mobile let me know that they're switching services or whatever, and my phone will not work because it's so old anymore. So I have to change my phone eventually. So I'm trying to get all the video off because they said video takes forever to transfer, so I can get a new phone. But they have a decent promotion. So I guess it's best that I handle the phone situation before I move on to my new house. So that's all good and well. Let's keep it moving. So, hey everyone, my name is Tara. If you're new, welcome. If you're not new, welcome back. Thank you so much for joining me. I truly do appreciate it. If you like budgeting videos as well as following me on my journey to home ownership, if you like viewing houses, then you're in the right place. Please don't forget to subscribe. It is free 99 and it costs you nothing. Hit that red button, turn it gray. If you like the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And let's talk about this house that you're about to view. So this house, as I look back at the video, I was like, maybe I should have went for it. But the reason I think I didn't choose it was really higher. It was a much higher price for the amount of work that needed to be put into it. And there were some sketchy things, and like they didn't paint it well, and there was like a pipe in the closet, it was kind of dark. If you know me, number one thing on my list is natural light. So for those reasons, I think I ended up not going with it, and I wasn't super certain about the neighborhood. So let the video footage roll. Enjoy the viewing, you guys. Of course, you know it's live and direct. You'll hear me, my realtor, and my sister talking per usual. I like money. I love the ceilings. Height, I should say, not necessarily the ceiling.
Yeah, I was like, I like the ceiling height.
There's a fireplace.
You know,
I would probably paint it white.
Bring over a ladder and we could redo the trimming ourselves, you know?
Well, yeah, it's kind of chintzy. I like the mantle, or that there's one. Did they paint this wood mantle white?
All the fans.
Oh, jeez. Whose house is this? Oh, look how big it is.
We got the whole large breakfast area there, and then
wow.
Put some more stools here, and
I hate these countertops.
when
people, yes,
they can be changed.
Yes,
I mean,
yes. It's decorative. It's not this.
It's not horrible. Yeah.
Okay, y'all you have the clean in between grout?
Well,
I love this window.
You just get you a nice little brush.
Nah, sis, not gonna do. Ooh, gas!
Ooh, but that also needs 2 bills.
But I like gas stoves.
Man.
Is these cabinets white or gray?
They're gray.
They're
gray?
They are gray. Ooh, I wish it was a sunnier day. This house doesn't seem to get much light, I guess because there's a lot of trees. But it is not a sunny day today.
It's not outlets. How old is that?
1983. Oh, is this a pantry?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, no. This is
something
something else.
They just put some paint on this.
Yeah, they got the same cabinet.
Yeah, and they're on lean over there. It's older home. It can't be perfect. All right, let's see. I like this door. Look, you see how nothing is broken like that last place? This actually feels like wood. There's a step down. Be careful. There's a tiny air conditioner, but it's cute out here.
Oh, the dogs would love it back here.
Oh Lord, this is a big backyard. It's a little slopey, but big.
What is this one for? 160?
169, 5, I think.
Should be able to be fine with 160.
Right? It needs some work. Okay, a little side yard. I can have a Gordon, a little one. All right. I like these bump out windows.
157.
I think 155, but you know they're not doing that around here in these parts right now. But what's this over here? This is a nice, so I'm assuming this is like supposed to be like your dining area as well as your,
That's the bonus one.
this is the garage.
Yeah, that was definitely the garage. Yeah, it was the garage. They turned it on.
I'm annoyed with them. They could have left my garage. So this is where the laundry is.
Yeah. Can't see anything. Would be nice. But this boiler heater thing looks pretty new. It could be my gym. No, it could be the garage. Yeah, the hot water looks good. But yeah, if this is, how does the washer dryer fit there? I don't know, but my gym. No. What do you mean? How does it fit? Next to each other. Right. It looks too close to the boiler thing. That's all I was saying. I don't know. Oh. Yeah, well, they're gonna put the dryer look like here because it's got the outlet for the dryer there, so they'll be on that side. They left me alone. Okay. Do look a little strange. Right? It's super close. The washer's on this side because but it's confusing because they got the hot water heater.
You're always hungry. What's this?
A closet. A little closet.
Okay, this is like, what is this, the coat closet? It's so dark. Where are all the lights? Oh, okay.
This is nice.
This is a good sized room. I forget that I'm recording. This is nice carpet though. How old is the AC system?
You have to get this. This must be okay. So this will be your bed.
This gotta be the master.
Oh, got a little shower. Ooh, this high up. It's fine.
I wish it was a sunnier day.
Are people making offers for under list price?
Yeah. No.
I haven't seen
This is
that in a
a...
while. They making them for over. I can guarantee you that.
Hello, Moto.
If she a baby mama, she gon' do that baby mama.
Work.
She gon' put it on you. She gon' do that baby mama.
Okay, this is like a walk-in shower.
And
Yeah.
you can sit down and get
Ooh,
tired.
I thought those were nice. They are not. Oh, wow. That's...
I actually really like these.
You would. Very vintage is what is a lot of things in here. Yeah. All right. Is that the doorbell? All right. I like the hallway. I like that there's a hallway. Like the other ones we haven't. This is actually a good size room as well. This will make a nice guest room. And I like that it's not really.
like the size of one of the rooms in my house.
And then closet. Basic closet. Oh, what's over here? Is this another basic closet? Oh, there's two closets in here. Okay, storage. Oh, this is a deep one.
I'm done.
Yeah, please stop. There's no cats here. What's next?
Ooh, why'd they switch the carpet up?
What's
they
this?
did it for both rooms. Okay.
Okay, so more storage, I guess.
Okay, mommy and daddy.
This one's tiny. This is like straight office vibes. Your workout room. This is where you peep at the people outside.
Yes, office room.
What's going on right there?
I don't know. I also just keep.
This is another good-
fans that need to be changed.
That's it.
They
That's
did
an
do a great
easy,
paint job. I could have did this.
easy fix.
Huh?
Oh, I didn't see this bathroom. Oh, a tub. Finally. Okay. Hey everyone, I hope you really enjoyed viewing that house. Let me know down in the comments what your thoughts on that house was. Would you have bought it? Is that your style of home? It is a ranch, so I absolutely love that. I really, in the end, would love a ranch, but I'm really open to townhomes. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching. Remember, in order to be great, you have to be grateful. Have a wonderful, blessed day, y'all. Bye.